Hi friends, today I am going to discuss typecasting in Java. Typecasting in Java is the process of converting one data type into another data type. For example, int type to double type or char type to int type, etc. Typecasting is mainly categorized into two types, implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. Let's see what is implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is also called widening or upcasting. In implicit typecasting, a smaller type is automatically converted into a larger data type. For example, int num is equals to 100, double d is equals to num. Here, smaller data type int is being assigned to larger data type double, and compiler is responsible to perform implicit typecasting. Here, programmer is not responsible to convert implicit typecasting, but compiler is responsible. So here int value is being converted into double value. We are just assigning int value to double value, but the internal conversions is being done by the compiler. And in implicit typecasting, no data loss occurs. Here we have taken num is equals to 100 and int value is being assigned to double. So whenever we are assigning int value to double, there is no loss of data. Whenever we print double D, here the result is 100. So there is no loss of data. And order of implicit typecasting is byte to short, short to int to long, long to float, and float to double. And also char to int, also possible. So we can assign int value to the long, or int value to the float, int value to the double, or char value to the int, short value to the int. For example, here character A is being assigned to the int type. Here, the internal typecasting is being done by the compiler. So the ASCII value of A is being assigned to CH. So whenever we print CH, it returns 97 because the ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. This is how implicit typecasting works in Java. So let's see what is explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting is also called narrowing or downcasting. In explicit typecasting, a larger data type is converted into a smaller data type. It is being done manually. For example, double D is equals to 100.99. Int num is equals to here explicitly typecasting into int D. So larger data type double is being assigned to smaller data type int. So programmer is responsible to perform explicit typecasting. We are responsible to perform explicit typecasting. So we should write this to convert from double to int. It performed manually using parentheses. So we have to wrap the data type inside the parentheses. So here double type is being typecasted into int type and the entire thing is being assigned to int. And it may result in data loss or truncation. Explicit typecasting results in data loss. Let's see. Double D is equals to 100.99. Here, D value is 100.99, but whenever we assign double value to int, in integers, there is no decimal points. So, this is being truncated and 100 is being assigned to int. So, 100.99 is being converted into 100. So, data truncation or data loss happens. Whenever we print num, it prints only 100, not 100.99. So, in explicit typecasting, data loss or data truncation happens. This is how explicit typecasting works in Java. Okay, let's go for exercise. Please pause the video and answer the questions. First question. What is typecasting in Java? First option. Converting a variable to a different type automatically? No. It can be converted manually also. Converting one data type into another? Yeah. Option B is correct. Second question. Which of the following statements about implicit typecasting is true? It is performed manually by the programmer? No. It can result in data loss? No. The compiler performs it automatically? Yeah. Implicit typecasting is performed by the compiler automatically. Third question. What is the correct order of implicit type conversion in Java? Byte, short, int, long, float, double. Yeah. Option A is correct. Fourth question. What is the main difference between implicit and explicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting is done manually. No. Implicit casting can cause data loss. No. Implicit casting is done by the compiler. Yes. While explicit casting is done manually. Yeah. Option C is correct. Fifth question. What will be the output of the following code? Double D is equal to 99.99 and double is being assigned to intertype. So here explicit typecasting is happening. So in explicit typecasting, data truncation happens. So whenever we are assigning double type to intertype, it removes the decimal points. So it returns 99. So whenever we convert it to int, the value becomes 99. So option C is correct. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.